My name is Steve Mancinelli, and I'm third generation shop owner of Mancinelli's Auto Repair Center. What sets us apart from everybody else is that we are a true family business and have been here at the same location for over 70 years. We have a staff that cares. We treat our customers' cars as if they're our own.
I'm Alex Giovanni. I am the assistant manager and service advisor here at Mancinelli's Auto Repair. We have an incredible Google rating, both with our customer service as well as our technical abilities. We have one of the best ratings in the automotive industry in Denver.
We provide a 5-year, 50,000-mile nationwide warranty, which I believe is the very best in the city. We have the latest in computerized equipment, tools, training. Training is very intensive for all of the staff.
We also pride ourselves in continued education of both our technicians and our service staff to bring the best service we can on both ends of the spectrum.
We've even carved out a niche as being one of the exclusive hybrid electric car service facilities, not only in Denver but in Colorado.
One of the ways we like to give back to our community is a customer appreciation barbecue, where we'd invite customers here and we'd all get to know each other a little bit better.
I would encourage you to very definitely come and tour the facility, meet the staff, so that you know that you're making a good decision when it's time for you to leave your car for maintenance and/or repair. Anytime, we're here from 7 to 5, Monday through Friday.